It's so exciting at Little Rose Garden Books this week. We're going up into the studio to make this. Yes, it's a silversmith vase for home or garden. And all you need to get started is a little bit of PVA glue, some tin foil such as you'd find in your kitchen cupboard, and smooth some out. What we want to do is get this lovely metal effect, get rid of all the marks on the foil, and play around with your nail or a ruler to get it really nicely smooth so it just shines in the light in a really pretty way. And then what we're going to do is cut it into thin strips. Make sure each strip is really smooth again from any crinkling that happened with the cutting. And then you just want to tear some lovely pieces, but you want to keep the flat edge. So always tear in like you're making dragon's teeth or something. So it always goes down into a point, but keep the flat edge. Obviously you can try different shapes and do your own design, but this is the design I'm doing today. And then we need a nicely scrubbed up tin, and start sticking bits of foil, flat edge around the bottom there, as you can see. And you might want to give each piece a little smooth out carefully so it's really lovely before you stick it on. So you can see from the top there as well that these foil bits have got the flat edge to meet the top. And then just fill in all the gaps in one direction. All going up is better for the effect we want to do. And then you can just curl over the little tops just slightly for that lovely silversmith effect for home and garden.